We've had so much rain today. Usually this is maybe 6 inches wide and now it's 5 feet wide. This is what separates my house with the house next door. And it is humongous. And I wonder what it looks like across the street. They have even a bigger one. Look at theirs. I don't think theirs is as deep as mine though, so it would be pretty big. I'm gonna go over there and take a peek. Oh, there's no cars coming. What am I waiting on? Yeah. Oh yeah, his is 6 feet wide. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Everything's wet.